Ladies and gentlemen, we seriously believe that there has to be a limit. There has to be a limit to this conceivable Hindu hate. Because Hindu hate cannot be okay. It is not okay. And Hindu hate is not secular. So whoever tells you that, we are Hindus, we need to be tolerant, is also wanting us to ensure that we let a lot of netas get away with Hindu hate. That has become so commonplace. Now, for the moment, just look at these pictures on your screens. This is Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, along with his entire cabinet, who was at the Mahakumbh. So the cabinet holds a meet. There are big development projects, big announcements that have been made by Yogi Adityanath, and then the entire cabinet takes a holy dip. But that holy dip is something that the entire lobby, the ecosystem hates. Whether it is an Akhilesh Yadav, whether it is a Rahul Gandhi, or even discrete parties like the AIMIM. Because time and again, these are the same parties that have targeted the Mahakumbh. They don't like the Mahakumbh, as if this Mahakumbh belongs to the BJP or this Mahakumbh belongs to Yogi Adityanath only. This is a Mahakumbh that belongs to all of us, all Sanatanis, all proud Hindus. And Yogi Adityanath taking a dip at the Mahakumbh. You know what Akhilesh Yadav and his party says? Ye dharam ka dhanda hai. Dharam ka dhanda. I'm not making this up. This is what the Samajwadi Party has tweeted from its official handle. So taking a holy dip during the Mahakumbh is a dharam ka dhanda. But when certain political parties were out there holding political iftars close to elections, should that also be called a dharam ka dhanda? And what kind of a language is this? Coming in from Akhilesh Yadav, Rahul Gandhi is quiet. Rahul Gandhi as the LOP, should he be speaking about this? Should he take a stand against this? And if you thought that this Hindu hate, this Sanatan hate, ladies and gentlemen, was just limited to the fact that you had a party down south, the DMK, and its leader saying that Sanatan can be compared to dengue, to malaria, you remember the outrage? We all outraged. But not a single word that came in from Rahul Gandhi or his party. They did not even decide to break their ties with the DMK or even try to push the DMK to get an apology. Because so normalized is this hatred for Sanatan, more so if you have a leader like Akhilesh Yadav. He has called multiple names to Yogi Adityanath. He has a political axe to grind when it comes to Yogi Adityanath because there are important bypolls and then the UP election in 27. But does this mean and does this give Akhilesh Yadav and the entire India alliance, whatever is left of it, to be okay with such language? Dharam ka dhanda? Is this dharam ka dhanda in your viewpoint? Till I walked into the studio and we checked whether the Congress is wanting to respond to this, there hasn't been a single word of even condemnation that has come in from the Congress party. I want to see if we can also bring up questions today, because again, these are questions that should be asked of all political parties on their hypocrisy, on the stand that they take when it comes to Hindu hate, Hindu pride. Let's bring up those questions before I say good evening to our panel of guests joining us. The holy dip on Mahakumbh, is that equal to a dharam ka dhanda for Akhilesh? Really? Is this an okay language, a kosher language for Akhilesh Yadav? Does he believe this? Will Janeudhari Rahul Gandhi, whose Congress, remember, has approached the Supreme Court? They went to the Supreme Court because they want an intervention in the Places of Worship Act. The same act that they say today should be safeguarding the rights of the minorities, the Muslims. But Rahul Gandhi is quiet, Rahul Gandhi is silent. Will he tell us that he is angry? He does not approve of Akhilesh Yadav calling this a dharam ka dhanda? Or this is okay for Rahul Gandhi? We'll find that out. Why is this ecosystem, there is this ecosystem, and a lot of people could have a problem with us using that word, but be that as it may, you will see right from day one, even when Yogi Adityanath was out there getting a sense of the preparations and ensuring that everything goes on smoothly, they have targeted the Mahakumbh day in and day out. They've targeted Yogi Adityanath, they've targeted Narendra Modi, they've targeted anyone who wears the saffron. The same people who will compare Sanatan, with dengue, with malaria. Are Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav not proud Hindus? Come on. Why don't they speak up? Why don't they speak up for all of us, for our faith? The faith that unites millions of people. And the final question that goes up on your screens, you would recall, what is Rahul Gandhi's favorite topic? Caste census, caste census, caste census. क्योंकि हिंदूज को डिवाइड कर देते और कोई तरीका नहीं है जीतने का, as the BJP alleges, let's divide the Hindus. So right from that point where the Congress party takes a position on the caste census to this Sanatan slander, this hate for Sanatan, is this the Congress's secularism? Is this a new definition of secularism? Maybe we are not aware, but Rahul Gandhi and the entire India Alliance should tell us whether this is their secularism. Let's say good evening to our panel of guests. Joining us, we have Anila Singh, who represents the BJP. Mithun Vijay Kumar is a political analyst. Again, he has some very, very strong opinion on the entire issue. We also have Imran Ahmad Ali, who's a lawyer and a political analyst. He will be batting for the Congress. Dr. Mumtaz Alam Rizvi is a political analyst. He does lean towards the MIM. Ravi Srivastava is a political analyst. He often does lean towards the Aam Aadmi Party. And we'll begin by CA Pradeep Bhati, who's the Samajwadi Party's national spokesperson. Pradeep Bhati ji, Yogi Adityanath taking that holy dip. This is dharam ka dhanda.
Hi, good evening to all. Let me start with what Akhilesh ji said. Let me start with his word. Maybe it will be more clear what he said. If we can hear that one. अखिलेश जी said
साल से होता आया है, वो साधु संत ऋषि मुनि जो हम कभी नहीं देख पाते हैं, वो महाकुंभ के समय पर आकर के कम से कम हम लोग को दर्शन करने का मौका मिलता है. उनके आने से महाकुंभ की शोभा बढ़ती है.
So Akhilesh ji, I don't know from where you getting all this. Give me few minutes because you have built a fake narrative.
No, one second, Pradeep Bhati, before you come here on national television and make such grave allegations. Wait. Maybe you are not aware, so I'll tell you where this is coming in from. And we'll see if we can also put out that tweet on our screens. This is the Samajwadi Party media cell. The official Samajwadi Party media cell that says कि कम से कम गंगा मैया की मर्यादा और त्रिवेणी संगम का आध्यात्मिक मान तो रखना ही चाहिए था, लेकिन जो लोग धर्म का धंधा करते हैं उनसे कोई मर्यादा के आचरण की उम्मीद भी करना बेमानी है. शर्म तो आएगी ही नहीं. क्वेश्चन मार्क. प्रदीप भाटी जी,
let me burst your fake narrative and you will cry every time when I speak. So please have some respect for panelists to hear.
Are you saying this handle has nothing to do with the Samajwadi Party?
No, first thing, Samajwadi Party Twitter handle, you are not even aware of Samajwadi Party Twitter handle. This handle is handled by one of the Samajwadi follower, maybe Mr. Manish Agarwal, and it's not Samajwadi Party. So first,
imagine this. No, you could have said sorry, Pradeep Bhati ji. It is such a simple thing. You've admitted here on national television, before you know you accuse me of everything else. You could have just said कि हम इस बात से agree नहीं करते हैं, इस tweet को हटाएंगे. This is Akhilesh's stand.
No,
we do not believe this is dharam ka dhanda. You yourself said that this is a person who belongs to the Samajwadi Party.
I think Dipti, you are so engrossed in making this fake narrative that you are not hearing me what I am saying. Had I said that हम इसको हटाएंगे?
सिर्फ हटाने से क्या होगा? आप बताइए. On the Places of Worship Act, the Congress Party goes to the Supreme Court. You must book this man, no? You must book this man. Ravi Srivastava, should there be an FIR against this man, whoever operates this handle?
Both are different issue.
Ravi?
Both are different. I want an FIR against the Mahant of Hanuman Gadi, who has used very insulting, humiliating words against the late Shri Mulayam Singh Yadav ji. I want an FIR against that person who has not only made a tweet, who has written it clearly that what action should be taken for that statue of Shri Mulayam Singh Yadav. I think it is most shameful thing what he has done, and he calls himself a sant. I don't know what kind of a monster is he.
And Ravi, what about those people who say ये धर्म का धंधा है? You agree with this? धर्म का धंधा है ये?
That Samajwadi Party has to respond, and they have made it clear that they have not made this comment.
No,
So
Akhilesh Yadav is praising Arvind Kejriwal day in and day out. No, so why can't Arvind Kejriwal take a stand? Why can't Rahul Gandhi take a stand? I don't understand.
Why can't Stalin take a stand? Why can't Mamata Banerjee take a stand? Why can't Sharad Pawar take a stand? What is this language?
You are all together, right?
What kind of
Ravi, you are all together, right? You are a part of the India Alliance.
Maybe, but then what is this? Every comment should be condemned by every leader. I mean, what language is this?
Because this is about Hindu faith.
Are you creating?
You know, you might believe this is a very simplistic argument, Ravi. And like Pradeep Bharti ji said, you want to run with the hare, you want to hunt with the hound. This good cop, bad cop strategy, Imran. But how far will this take the Congress? Now tell me something. As the Congress party officially has approached the Supreme Court because you want to be treated like a party in the Places of Worship Act. Does this comment of a dharam ka dhanda by an SP functionary not anger you? Should Rahul Gandhi break his silence and tell us whether he agrees with this or not?
There is a very fine line of speaking against a political party and speaking against a religion. Do not confuse both. Your statement right from the beginning about place of worship is absolutely incorrect. You cannot for a fact say that it only benefits the Muslims. Places of Worship Act is a totally secular act and it protects every monument.
And that is even not even the topic of debate. This is not a debate, Imran, about the Places of Worship Act. All that I asked you, that if you want to approach the Supreme Court in the Places of Worship Act, should you seek action against whoever says कि Yogi Adityanath taking a dip on the occasion of Mahakumbh is a dharam ka dhanda, or you agree with this?
That is not the intention. You need to understand that talking against a political party, talking against divisive politics does not mean that you're talking against the religion. When we are here to discuss, we need to understand that these purely copy-paste politics and benefiting, I mean, this is not even the topic of debate. I mean, why are we getting into this? We need to understand that what should actually be discussed is the lack of preparedness. Gas cylinders yesterday have been recovered, over 100 of them. You are changing the venue of your cabinet meeting because you are apprehensive of the fact that people are not happy with the preparations. So instead of actually highlighting issues, you are trying to subvert those issues by bringing issues.
Imran,
nowhere has any political leader subverted.
Imran, I still have Mithun and also Mumtaz who haven't come into this conversation. And I want to bring up certain pictures of political iftars. Political iftars being hosted by different political parties, different netas at different times. So by that same yardstick, Imran or Pradeep Bharti ji, this is also dharam ka dhanda. Bol paenge? Is this dharam ka dhanda?
Are you asking me?
You are confusing a criticism against a political party with criticism
अरे धर्म का धंधा कोई कहता है तो इसमें योगी आदित्यनाथ का criticism किधर है इमरान? I don't understand. You could have said that you do not like Yogi. He is your political opponent. Please go all out after him. But to say this is धर्म का धंधा is where you cross the line.
That is not against the dharam. Let's no. What is crossing the line is making that against the dharam, which it is not. It is against people using it against other people. That is what this statement is against. Let's not confuse it. Nobody is spoken against any religion.
I quickly want to get Pradeep Bharti before I get in both Mithun and Mumtaz into this. Pradeep Bharti ji, will there be some action?
Action on whom?
You tell me, should there be action?
You build a fake narrative that Samajwadi Party did it. When I busted your fake narrative, you start jumping. You not even allowed me for a second to complete my sentence. And after that, you are going here and there.
You yourself admitted, sir, that this is a handle operated by a Samajwadi Party person. Did you not say that? You made that admission, right?
Building a case narrative, fake narrative.
What is fake narrative? Akhilesh Yadav had quoted Swami Vivekananda also, and he said कि रोटी जरूरी है ना, धर्म से ऊपर तो रोटी है. But उन्होंने विवेकानंद जी को वहां ट्वीट या कोट नहीं किया जहां वो कहते हैं I'm a proud Hindu. अब बताइए, which is a fake narrative?
Now what happened, Dipti? Now you started running here and there.
No, I am only exposing the multiple comments that have been made by Akhilesh Yadav and the SP, sir.
Let me again reiterate if you are allow me, and if you keep on speaking along with me, it will be difficult because I am at a remote location and you are in the studio. You always have an advantage. So if you allow me, if you are calling me, please have that courtesy to
Please
listen to
go
my
on.
voice.
Please go on, sir.
No matter how hard it hits you, no matter, but still respect that. Respect that. So what I am saying is, nowhere Akhilesh Yadav ji, I have already clear. Akhilesh Yadav ji said that this is the occasion. ये एक ऐसी occasion है जहां पे साधु संत जो सालों नहीं दिखते, उन्हें हमें दर्शन करने का मौका मिलता है. Now don't relate BJP's narrative with the sadhu sants, because sadhu sants are different from BJP, and BJP is not Hindutva. Sadhu sants are Hindutva. So understand that.
Sir, exactly the mistake that all of you are making. I have limited time. I have to get Anila and Mumtaz into this conversation. Now, Mumtaz Alam Rizvi ji, how do you see this going on? What is happening?
I think, Madam Deepti ji, you are not a spokesperson of BJP, and I am not a spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. We should know that Akhilesh Yadav is the president of Samajwadi Party and principal opposition leader of Uttar Pradesh Assembly. So this is the statement, totally political statement, and we should not conduct the dharma religious, I think. But the Akhilesh Yadav should थोड़ा से उन्हें जबान पर थोड़ा जरूर काबू रखना चाहिए. जब इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम हो रहा है तो आई थिंक ये जो है बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है. ठीक है, वो पॉलिटिकल है, सब कुछ है, सब जान रहे हैं, लेकिन धर्म का धंधा या ये सब चीजें जो है मेरे ख्याल से नहीं बोलना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. लेकिन
सबको पता नहीं बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन फिर भी बोला जा रहा है ना, तो इसके पीछे कोई रीजन तो होगा. Anila, the charge against you is that you are mixing religion and politics and you are provoking everyone.
My Ram Ram to all. And if somebody, any person living in any corner of this world, they think that by practicing Sanatan Dharma or by raising the voice of those who had been always faced the wrath of Islamic invaders, British invaders, and then by Congress. So if they say that, okay, you are advocating for majority population living in this country, then of course, if whatever you want to say, you can say so. We will keep on doing what we are doing. If somebody says that Yogi Adityanath ji, with his cabinet team of 54 ministers, he takes dip in Mahakumbh, and then it is being projected as Dharam ka Dhanda, let them say, how does it matter? Do you think that Yogi Adityanath ji is going to give any reaction on it? Of course not, because we know what is the mindset of Samajwadi Party. Deepti, in your opening statement, you said that aren't they proud Hindu? I will tell you, they are not proud Hindu, they are halal Hindus. They are being certified by Muslims.
Anila, we'll watch our language. I do realize tempers are running high, but please, I'm requesting you also please to watch the language, be very careful of what we say. Ravi and Pradeep ji and also Imran want to come in, but Mithun hasn't spoken. Mithun, apologies, I kept you waiting. Time is limited, Mithun. How do you see this larger pattern of Sanatan slander?
So Deepti, the larger pattern, I would say in brief words, would be that, making statements against the Hindu culture and Hindu dharma, but when questioned, saying that, we meant something else altogether, or completely disowning the original statement is something we have been seeing on the part of India Alliance for a very long time. It started with Udayanidi's, malaria, dengue statement.
Yes.
And now I just want to keep all the, political sentiments aside, religious sentiments aside, and come into the politics of this. Now, Akhilesh Yadav's, statement that, Kumbh is not a place for political decisions is actually dismissive of the historical and cultural significance of such gatherings. If you know, after returning from South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi made his political debut at Haridwar Kumbh Mela. And in the late 19th and 20th centuries, Kumbh Mela evolved into a platform for spreading nationalist ideas. So historically, Kumbh Mela has been associated with political symbolism. It's a venue for spiritual gatherings where spiritual gatherings intersect with socio-political issues and facilitating decisions and discussions. So even the announcement made by CM Yogi is just establishing medical colleges, ITIs, and innovation centers. These are in line with the historical use of this gathering.
That's a good point, Mithun. I'm completely out of time, but Pradeep Bhati ji, 5 seconds, sir. 5 seconds.
First thing that Akhilesh Yadav ji or Samajwadi Party never said dharm ka dhanda. This is a fake narrative built by the Times Now and Dipti. This is not the case, and he has never said this word. Either you have the guts to show me from which Samajwadi Party has only one handle, and that has been taken care by the Samajwadi.
So you should ensure that you get this handle shut down, and whoever has put this out is also booked. Like Ravi also said, he's angry, but he's angry not about Akhilesh and his party saying this. Rahul is silent only for want of time, but we'll revisit the story. Anila and all, gentlemen, thank you so much. We head into a very quick break.